Good evening and thank you for tuning into this video. So right now we are just going to work compound inequalities that are connected by the word or. So remember, any number that makes either inequality true is going to be a solution. So my first example is 3t is less than -7 or -4t plus 5 is less than 1. So solving these are super easy. I literally just have to solve both inequalities and then graph them on the same graph at the end. So this should be, sorry, I'm going to adjust my mirror. So this should be, so I have 3t is less than -7 or -4t plus 5 is less than 1. So I'm going to solve both of these inequalities separately. First thing I'm going to do, to get t by itself on this side, I'm going to divide both sides by 3. When I divide both sides by 3, I get t is less than -7/3. Remember, there's no need to write it as a decimal, just leave it as -7/3. Now, I am going to solve this inequality. So I'm going to put my or in, and I'm going to solve this inequality. To get the t by itself, first thing I have to do is subtract 5 on both sides. When I do that, I get -4t is less than -4. Now what I have to do is I have to divide both sides by -4. When I divide by -4, remember I have to flip the sign. So my solution is going to be t is greater than 1. So when I put my two solutions together, it's going to be t is less than -7/3 or t is greater than 1. So that's my solution. So my t value can be anything that's less than -7/3 or it can be anything that's greater than 1. Let's go ahead and graph these. So remember, with the compound inequality connected by the word or, you're going to get two sets of numbers that could be your solution. Make my 0 right here. Here's my -7/3, and here's my 1. For my t is less than -7/3, it's going to be an open circle. Less than -7/3, so I'm going to shade to the left. T is greater than 1 as my other solution, or as the other part of my solution. So t is greater than 1, it's going to be open circle, and I'm going to shade to the right. Okay? So notice my solution could be anywhere in this interval, anything less than -7/3, or anything in this interval, anything greater than 1. So that's how I do the first one. The second and third one are pretty straightforward, so go ahead and work those by yourselves for practice. We will be discussing them tomorrow. God bless you and have a good day.